Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to send money from PayPal to Jamaica in 2025. Whether you're helping out family, paying for goods, or handling remittances, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and secure. With updates in 2025, like potential new regulations and enhanced security features, it's easier than ever to transfer funds internationally. First things first, make sure you have a verified PayPal account. If you don't, head over to the PayPal website or app and sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, link your bank account or debit card to ensure smooth transactions. In 2025, PayPal might have upgraded its interface, so look for any prompts about new features, like biometric verification for added safety. Now, let's get to the steps. Start by clicking on the Send and Request tab in your PayPal dashboard. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. They'll need a PayPal account in Jamaica to receive the funds directly. Next, select the amount you want to send. Remember, PayPal will convert your currency, say USD to Jamaican dollars, JMD, using the current exchange rate, which you can preview to avoid surprises. Before confirming, double-check the details. Pay attention to any fees, typically around 2 to 5% for international transfers in 2025, depending on your location and payment method. If fees seem high, consider using PayPal's Zoom service, which is integrated and might offer better rates for Jamaica. Once everything looks good, hit Send, and you're done. You'll get a confirmation email, and the recipient should receive the money within minutes to a few hours. A few quick tips. Always use a secure Wi-Fi connection to protect your info. Verify the recipient's details to prevent errors, and keep an eye on exchange rates for the best value. If you're new to this, PayPal's Help Center has 2025 specific guides. There you have it. Sending money to Jamaica via PayPal in 2025 is simple and efficient. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.